It's early March here at Drip Depot Gardens, and it's really starting to show. We're gearing up for a year of peppers, tomatoes, lettuces, brassicas, and more. This year, we're doing something a little bit different though, and we're going to take you along for the ride in our garden. At Drip Depot, we spent the last 20 years learning about drip irrigation and teaching it to other people. And in that time, we've learned a lot about what it takes to grow a successful garden using drip irrigation. Don't worry, we're still going to make our drip irrigation videos. In fact, we're going to take our gardening videos and film them with an irrigation twist, in case you've always wondered how we water our plants. From seed starting, planting, transplanting, harvesting, and pruning, we're going to take you along for the ride, and we're going to give you the tips, tricks, and all the guides to show you how we grow our garden. And we're going to keep you fully up to date with our company garden here in Zone 8B in Southern Oregon. Drop a comment below, let us know what zone you're in, what you're going to be growing, and how you plan to water it. Our garden space is 53 feet by 19 feet, so space is pretty limited. In that space, we've got 6 raised beds, a small orchard of figs, apples, and pears, and we are going to fill this area with containers to try to get the very most out of the limited space that we possibly can. So, how much do you think we can grow? Let's find out. Here we've got our seed starting area where we have lettuce, brassicas, super hot peppers, and more starting to grow. Right now, we're collecting and brainstorming ideas for our gardening and drip irrigation videos and videos that combine the two. So please, if you have any ideas or any questions, leave them in the comments below so we can get it added to our list. And remember, stay cool, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next one.